Alright, I'm exhausted and I'm filming this from nowhere. Early came to school, package arrived. So story of this is that my mom decided to order an arcade stick for me. So she ordered it yesterday, came in today, right like I left school ASAP as soon as possible to get it. So here it is. It's by a company called PXN. X9, yeah, you can probably guess where it's from. It supports basically everything, almost, and pretty sure it's gonna try and do a similar thing with PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X. So read that, read that, read that, read that, read that, read that, and these are all the photos. I'm not gonna bother telling you this because it's probably not important, and I just want to crack open this baby right now. So, holy crap, bro! Get this out of here. Hold on. Thank you for your purchase. Alright, get this shit out of here. I'm super excited because I wanted myself my own arcade stick. Oh, before I even try it out, I had to get the rest of this thing out of here. Hold up, I'm gonna have to drop my phone because I barely start. Oh, shoot. I barely started this. So, damn, boy. So, basically, in layman's terms, for people who probably don't know what this is, well, other than the fact that this is an arcade stick, some people might know, this might look very, oh, shit, boy. Oh, it's bare, okay. Some people might know this, or this might look familiar to some people. This might look, oh, shoot, hold up. God damn. Look at this. Oh, god damn. Hold on, let me open the bottom. Oh, hold up. Alright, I got it. Oh, shoot, boy. This is the real stuff. So, I think this uses... So, it comes with a screwdriver. For some reason, it doesn't come with a freaking flathead, but whatever. It comes with 2 buttons. Here's the cable. So, what this uses are Sanwa buttons. And some people might know this. It looks very familiar to Mad Catz TE2 Tournament Edition. From my guess, it appears to be a clone. Now, let me see. I think you can change the art. Maybe. Maybe not. Dude, I'm super hyped about this thing. I'm sweaty. So, there appears to be a right stick, left stick, and then D-pad button, home button, on, off. This is for, because this has LEDs, and this is for macro. It appears to be using real Sanwa buttons. There are 2 other or technically 3. So, this is, hold on. This is your options, start and plus. This is your share, select and minus. or whatever this is. USB Type-C. Yeah, it looks pretty normal. Dude, not gonna lie, it's kind of hard trying to do a video about this. Dude, this feels freaking lit. I'm gonna see if it's possible if I can change the art, because I definitely want to do that. But anyways, this is the quickest, dirtiest unboxing I'll ever do.